guys, Red Devil Pyro here at the TNT Halloween special. Nothing, no actual fireworks, but got some goodies here. Silly String, Betty, Wedding Poppers. So yeah, come check them out. They're in Natomas. I'll put the address in the description. But this is their booth out here at the Walmart parking lot, if you guys know. And then they have the little assortments too. So yeah, come check them out. They're open. These are the hours. I got one of these to do a review on. Yeah, come check it out. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.